how to set up secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 or the 26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we scroll down and tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and we want to look for secure folder. So more security settings. Then tap on secure folder. After that, tap on settings. Then you need to set a PIN, password, or a pattern lock. You can also use biometrics such as face recognition or fingerprints. So we'll select the PIN for now, and I'll put in 2580. Tap on continue, then 2580, and tap on OK to confirm the PIN. After that, it asks, do you want to show notifications from the secure folder or not on the lock screen. So here you can turn it on or switch it off. Then tap on done. Then tap on more. Then tap on the continue button. Okay, here I ask you to sign in. So I will select forget password, forgot ID, or you can create a Samsung account. So it asks you to sign in. So what happens if you cancel? If you cancel, you cannot continue. So basically you need to sign in with your account. So you can use Google account to sign in. Okay, once you have login, then tap on agree. Okay, here we will try to install Samsung Pass. I will choose later to update later, and then tap on continued. And here's to unlock your encrypted data. So if you have used secure folder on another device, then you need to unlock the data. After you put in the login PIN, now enter your current PIN and tap on continued. And it asks you to use a verification method. I will tap on use PIN. Then tap on more, and then tap on continued. After going through all those steps, the phone will now go ahead and create the secure folder. Now scroll down and say select a PIN. So I will select PIN and tap on continued. And say remember this PIN. If you forget it, you will need to uninstall the secure folder and you will lose all your data. Tap on OK, then tap on allow. Then tap on next. Here's it allow background activity while locked or close all apps while locked. Select one of the options, then tap on done. And that's it. Finally, we are now in the secure folder section. So if you go into the app screen, you can see there is a secure folder there. You can go out, exit and lock it. You can hide the secure folder, and you can perform other settings for the secure folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.